So family, I just wanted to quickly come talk to y'all today and let you know you were sent here for a divine purpose, and nobody can really help you realize that but you. A lot of people can help embellish the thought of you being the greatness that you came here to be, but you can't actually fulfill that greatness until you believe it, you know? So I just want you to understand that today, you have the power to accomplish your goals. You do have the power to accomplish your goals, but it's not until you take that next step to accomplish that goal to where we'll start seeing that thing manifest into reality. You know what I'm saying? That is a very valuable tool to have. Belief in yourself. You got to have belief in yourself before anybody else is going to believe in you, family. So I just wanted to leave you with this love and take it into your lifestyle today. Take it into your mindset today to accomplish the goals and dreams that you are divinely brought here to fulfill. On that note, Cosmic Soul Foods.